Butler County Sheriff and prosecutor are drawing a line in the sand. They made it clear Lakota School Board member Darbi Boddy will be arrested if she comes near fellow board member Isaac Oddie.
And tonight, Boddy's attorneys firing back, saying the protective order against her effectively silences her voice on an elected council.
WCPO 9 News reporter Sean Delancey shows us how the region's second largest school district is now embroiled in legal turmoil.
And this has to stop. This ends now. We need a new board right now.
Lakota Schools board member Darbi Boddy is going to have a hard time attending meetings after a judge issued a protective order against her, filed by her fellow board member Isaac Oddie. The judge's order means that Boddy can't be within this distance, 500 feet of Mr. Oddie, and she can't attend any school events, including board meetings where he's present. When we reached out for comment, Boddy told us she will carry out her responsibilities as an elected board member. She also directed us to her attorney, Robert Croskery.
I was flabbergasted that the order was granted to start with.
Ohio law requires her to be present at meetings to vote, and the protective order makes that nearly impossible.
What it really is an order to shut up Darbi Boddy, to keep her from being at a school board meeting to represent the conservative philosophy that she was elected to espouse.
The magistrate who heard the case, Matthew Reed, writes that the court finds that it was and is the behavior of Boddy that has disenfranchised her constituents. The order cites 5 events going back to April 2023, including one where Boddy alleged Oddie swiped a phone from her hands.
You're videoing me? Don't assault me. You are assaulting me.
As evidence, Oddie deserved protection from her stalking behavior. In a joint statement, Butler County Sheriff Richard Jones and prosecutor Mike Moser wrote, quote, "There will be no preferred treatment, no matter your elected position. If you violate a protective order, you will be arrested on site."
Until there is a stay or a reversal of this order, your legal advice would be for Ms. Boddy to not enter a building or not be within 500 feet of Mr. Oddie.
Well, I would love to tell you what my legal advice to Ms. Boddy is. That would violate attorney-client privilege. So you'll have to pretty much stand on what I have said so far, which is that I am a strong believer in the law and that Ms. Boddy is a strong believer in doing the right thing and representing her constituents.
I reached out to Oddie for comment and didn't hear back. Croskery says that he's already filed an appeal, but if that order stands, it would remain in effect through September 20th, 2025. As for the district, they say that they are reviewing this order and will make adjustments as needed. In Liberty Township, I'm Sean Delancey, WCPO 9 News.